LNG from Canada, in particular from Steelhead LNG, can improve the world's environment in two specific ways. One is to reduce particulate emissions. In many markets in Asia, which is where our product is destined to go, much of those energy-hungry countries are burning coal or energy sources that are heavy in particulate emissions. And what that means is it puts smog into the atmosphere, and smog, as we know, is deadly. Second reason is a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Now, if we can improve that, that's obviously a very good thing for the world, and that's what we're going to try and do. Steelhead LNG is developing two projects on Vancouver Island, one with the Malahat First Nation on the east side of the island, and a second with the Huu-ay-aht First Nation on the west side of the island. We're looking to develop those projects with the use of what we call at-shore LNG technology. That is a specifically designed for BC LNG technology that leverages all the good things that BC has with its minimum environmental footprint.
Community participation and community relations, I think, is the soul of any large proposed project. You can have all your facts and all your figures in order. You can have all of your designs and all your drawings and the technical information laid out for something. But if you don't have input from the community, you don't have a project.
Working with First Nations for Steelhead is very much the very core of our business. We're a BC-based and born business, and we are very excited about working with First Nations. Like any business partner, we have an idea and we approach a First Nation and say, look, we think this might work. Are you interested in exploring this idea? Who better to talk to than a community that's been living there for thousands of years and will live there for thousands of years into the future?
We're exploring this concept with Steelhead LNG because it is an opportunity that our people are willing to look at.
The purchase of Bamberton was really important to Malahat, so we could get our economic development going to start something for the nation, sustainability for ourselves.
I think taking our environmental worries to Steelhead is important for us because we've lived here for thousands of years, and they're going to hear us on these issues that we have for the environment.
You have good relationships, you can achieve more. And you can achieve more by working together. That's key. And I believe Steelhead has come to our door saying that, hey, we're willing to look at that. What can we do to work together?
It's a continual process of learning and understanding and communicating, and we have some very dedicated people who are working with our First Nation partners every day. In terms of direct jobs, we're employing around 100 people now, either directly in the business or through contractors. Once we start operation of the project, there's probably, say, another 500. These are jobs that will be around for 25 or 40 years. These are 2 generations worth of jobs.
We need to understand what's important to people and what values they have, that we can be sure that we respect those values.